All right, the box has arrived. I went ahead and created a whole handful of new shirts. I did one about 2 weeks ago, and I loved how it came out. Green Day. So I decided to put some more of my completed designs on some shirts, including the bands, and they have arrived today. So go ahead and here, we're about to open up the box and see what they look like. All right. All right. So here we go. T-shirts coming in. Let's see. First one. Do you want Rolling Stones? Sick. Check that out. Nice. Okay. All right. First 5 ones. Let's see what comes next. Yes. We got Metallica in the house. All right. Not too bad, right? I'll be definitely wearing that one. All right. Oh, the most popular design so far in the last year since I made it. Different. I don't know. I kind of love it. We'll see what you guys think. Let me know. Rush. Kind of inverted those colors. It doesn't have the red like it does on the print. But definitely unique. All right. Yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think on any of these. All right. Ooh, Iron Maiden. Oh, I like the color pops a little bit. Yes, yes. I like to see that on a black shirt, though. All right, what do you think? A little too much white around. I like it. I want it bigger. I want it bigger, definitely bigger. Explode that up. All right. Oh, classic Dylan. Bob Dylan. Yes, that works. What do you guys think about that one? Cool. All right. Is this the, oh. All right. So I went away from the bands and I did a few of my other designs. Took a popular design. All right. Yes. Kobe Bryant. So you gotta check that one out. If you could see it in person. That's not going to show up there. See that? A little bit of light. Definitely in person. It's better. Alright, I'm going to be taking some pics. I'll be having these at the shows in the fall here. But if you have any requests, if you're liking any of these designs, shoot me a DM, email. Let me know which ones you like, which ones you want. I'll see what orders I can do. Okay, that's the one I'm wearing. Green Day. Yes. All right. Jet fans. I did this one because I liked how the colors popped on the Green Day one. If you could see this one in person. So I thought that would work well with the Jets one. And yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh, good. Jet fans are gonna like, oh man, where's the light, people? See that one? Yeah, a little better. Cool. I'll definitely wash these up, or say iron them out, and take some pics, and be posting them so you can get a better look at them. And any giraffe fans out there? It's my favorite animal. It's one of the latest animal designs I did. Oh, I like how I did that at the bottom. It's good. Little giraffe there. See that? There we go. Need some light. Oh, there's a little bit better. I can see it. Cool. That's it. It's the first round of shirts ever for Maze Designs. I'm Cole, and yeah, let me know what you think. Glad to create and see what happens. So.